Hey everyone, Steve with Off-Grid 48. So I've got a little different type video for you guys today. We're going to do a review on this trailer. This is a utility trailer, sports trailer. It's called the Micro Sport trailer from Malone Auto Racks. And as we're gearing up here for retirement, we're kind of winding down the gasifier business and gearing up for our retirement so we can hit the road. So, you know, we've got our RV Class C we just got, and we wanted to be able to take our bikes and our kayaks with us, and this is the trailer that we came up with. It's a light duty trailer capable of about 800 pounds. It's a really nice little trailer. It's bought online and it's shipped in about 6 boxes, so you do self-assembly. Now this particular one is called the Micro Sport. They've got different variations of it. We ordered the one that can do 2 bikes and 2 kayaks. They actually have several variations of this. You can do 4 kayaks or 4 bikes, or, you know, mix and match kind of thing. So I think this is going to work out really well for us. So it comes with these J racks for the kayaks. It comes with these bike racks that are lockable. It's got a spare tire. The box there, that steel box I bought, I added that just as a way to keep our gear, ropes and jackets and things like that in there, but it's pretty inexpensive, and we're going to mount that there. The trailer, and I also added this wheel so that I can manually move the trailer around. Even when it's loaded, I can roll it around with this pretty easily, and then I got the lock in the front. So I got that from Harbor Freight for I think 50 bucks for that. So it's a pretty good deal. So the trailer I think is good, nice design. It's lightweight. These J racks are adjustable, so you can move them to whatever size that you need. Same thing with the bikes. The rack's adjustable for whatever size. These locking verticals here, so once you put it on the bike and lock it there, it'll stop somebody from removing it off the trailer when you're parked. It's a nice little setup. I'm getting ready to load everything up on the trailer, secure it, and then we're going to go do a test run. These are the bikes I've got. So I've got 2 kayaks, 2 ocean kayaks. The orange one's pretty heavy. And then I've got the 2 e-bikes, and the black bike is mine, and it's a pretty heavy bike. The one issue that I had is this trailer has these risers, so it sits up pretty high. So putting the e-bike on there, which is pretty heavy, I had a really hard time lifting up the e-bike onto the rack. So what I did is I built out of a board, basically an old shelf, a little ramp. I put this on here where I can lay this board down here so I can ride the bike up on the ramp and then lift it over. So that worked out really well, and I'll be able to secure this board and ramp to the trailer, and it's pretty lightweight. And then the only other thing is I've got these wheels for the kayaks. I'm going to secure that to the trailer as well, and I think then we'll have a pretty good setup. But kind of getting excited to get into the retirement mode, try out this camper and trailer combination, and then hit the road. We've got some nice places picked out to give it a try. Trailer itself here, the basic trailer is under 2,000 bucks. I think for this configuration, we got about 2,700 bucks in it. So I think it's going to be a good trailer. We're going to get a lot of use out of it. All right, guys, so that's about it. Hope everybody's doing well, and we'll see you on the next one.